One of the EIs I recently started trading is suspiciously profitable. It made over 50% on my 1K life account in just 2 months and over 10% in the last 2 weeks on my 5K life account. Let's take a look together and see if there is anything to be concerned about. So go to the life accounts on our website and I'll write down FX stabilizer. This one I have on 2 life accounts. One is 5K and the other one is $1,000 life account, and look at that, it made over 50% gain and 22% in the last 1 month. And as you know, I like to withdraw profit, so I will withdraw these $500, but first let me show you. I have it right on this VPS and you will see that the FX stabilizer is trading 4 currency pairs. In this account, it's the Aussie, the Euro dollar, the Euro pound, and the Canadian dollar. And I started this account back at the end of May for my 100K project. You can see that it's quite an active expert advisor, many open trades, and overall the profit is $510. You can see that it uses some kind of grid martingale system. If I arrange the trades according to the time when they close, you will see that right in here, quarter to 4 p.m. on the 1st of August, there were plenty of trades that closed at the same time for the dollar cat. The highest lot was 0.08. We have 0.16 with the euro dollar right in here, which we covered those losing trades. So it started buying euro dollar with 0.01, 0.02. We have another trade with 0.01, but then it increased to 0.04, 0.08, 0.16. And let me show you the properties. So you'll see that I have a risk limit of 20. It's not a lot of inputs with the expert advisor, which is not really good for us as traders because we cannot play a lot with the settings. We cannot optimize the inputs, but we can control the risk. So if we decide to use the auto risk, we can set what will be the limits. And here we have risk limit of 20. If that is disabled, then the fixed lot will apply. And on the bottom, there is a boost mode, which I have decided not to use. And because boost mode sounds like it will get riskier, and I don't want it to be riskier than what it is at the moment. And there is a slippage filter which is set to 20. If I show you the track record of this live account with Eightcap, you will notice a very smooth balance line going upwards. If I switch to equity, you will see a few drawdowns. Probably that one was the biggest, so the equity dropped from 1391 down to 1193. That is acceptable risk for my risk tolerance, and you can see a very equal exposure between the different currencies. Total return over 50%, and if I click on the stats, we will notice that the average monthly return is 19.3, profit factor 273, and I am trading this robot with Eightcap, which is fully regulated broker in Europe. I have great trading conditions, especially for the currency pairs. You can see that the spreads are low, and I can confirm that on the live terminal. So if I check the spread column, you will see that for the major currency pairs, it's just a few pips of spread I am paying, and that is why the results are promising. You can see that right now I have a few short trades opened with the Aussie, the Euro pound, the Euro dollar. So what I will do, I will disable the algo trading and I will close all of these for the first time. This is the disclaimer you have to agree with if you are closing trades manually, and I'll do that. I'll disable as well the pending orders. And why I did that is because if I have pending orders, I cannot withdraw funds from a trading account. So after the video, I will withdraw the $500 and I'll continue trading in the same way with the same expert advisor in the same account. You can follow the results on our website at any moment. I'll leave the link to Eightcap down below in the description. But now let me show you the 5K account. So here it is. This 5K account already made above $600 of a profit, which is above 10%. And I started trading this account on the 24th of July and I'm recording this video on the 6th of August. Oh, that's just about 12 days. If I show you the track record, you'll see that this account made actually 11.4%. History is 14 days according to FX Blue, and you can see all the currency pairs right in here. That's where I said, okay, this is suspiciously profitable because over 10% in just 14 days in my 5K account is really a lot. And if I show you the stats, and if I show you the symbols, you will see that it is profitable on all currency pairs except the Aussie dollar. But it's been just 2 weeks, so I'll leave it a little bit longer on the demo account. It's just 7 trades with the Aussie. If it continues to lose, I will simply stop trading it on the Aussie dollar. And if I show you the demo account where I already have 39% of profit and I just show you the track record and I go to stats and again I'll click on symbol, you will see that all of the currency pairs are profitable. Probably those 2 weeks were bad for Aussie, so for now I don't want to remove it from the portfolio, and you can see that the most profitable on the demo account is the euro dollar, followed by the dollar yen and the euro yen, which are most active. And if I switch to the 5K life account, we will see that the most profitable is euro dollar again, and it is followed by the active euro yen and dollar yen. So pretty much the demo results confirm the live results I have in my accounts. And the other reason I thought that this expert advisor is suspiciously profitable is because I have it very profitable on my iFunds account, where we have a max drawdown, but still it made profits and I will request the withdrawal. But before I do that, guys, keep in mind that I reinvest nearly everything from the channel, from the expert advisors into the videos, and growing all of that together with my team and you. So if you want to support our work, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. This will mean the world to me. And now I will show you the iFunds account. I'll go back to the results on the website, and I really want you to start using these pages and results because they are very useful. We test the expert advisors for everybody, so you don't need to spend money on small accounts or on demo accounts. We are doing it. The results are public and you can use that. And here it is. You can see that on both iFunds and trading.com accounts, I have achieved about 10%, 4 to 5% in the last 30 days. For the trading.com account, I need to achieve 20% before I can reach the next stage. But with the iFunds account, I already made a profit of $1,400. I'll go to iFunds and I'll show you that when I purchase the account, I can set what profit split I want to have. The higher it is, the lower the max drawdown is. But when it is a grid martingale system, I usually stick to 10% max drawdown, which allows me to withdraw 50% of the profit split. And in this account, which is right in here, that is the trading.com, but with iFunds, you will see that I've made profit of $1,400, so I'll be able to withdraw $703 out of this profit. So keep an eye on the results. They are very transparent, and I don't want to be only showing profits. In one of my last videos, I showed losses as well, and I want to be fully transparent with you, just sharing my trading experience with expert advisors and algo trading. And I always share that I request withdrawals because I believe this is the right way to stay longer on the market and not trying to flip and flip and flip account after account, because you will end up blowing and blowing and blowing account after account. And I always stick to my rules that I have explained in this video. If you have missed it, I believe it will be very useful to you. Until then, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.